What if the Philippines is building a naval force so powerful, even China has reason to fear it? For decades, China has controlled the West Philippine Sea with an iron grip. But now, the tables are turning. The Philippines is stepping up, unveiling new warships, submarines, and advanced technologies that could tip the balance of power. Is this the beginning of a new era, where the Philippines stands strong against one of the world's greatest naval forces? Today we dive into the rise of the Philippine Navy and why China is watching with growing concern. The Philippines is building a navy that demands respect, a force to be reckoned with in the region. It's a navy that even China fears, equipped with advanced weaponry and state-of-the-art technology. How is a nation once outmatched in the water becoming a maritime force? The transformation is remarkable. How is the Philippines transforming its navy into a challenge to China's dominance through strategic planning and relentless effort? The answers lie in a story of modernization, alliances, and unwavering resolve. The Philippines is not alone in this endeavor. The Philippines is investing in cutting-edge technology, ensuring its navy is equipped for modern warfare. It is forging partnerships with global powers, strengthening its position on the international stage. The goal is clear. The Philippines is determined to protect its sovereignty, standing firm against any threats to its territorial integrity. It is determined to secure its maritime future, building new bases and expanding its naval infrastructure. The world is watching as a new naval power emerges in the Pacific, reshaping the balance of power in the region. The Philippine Navy has a long and storied history, dating back to its early days when it was just a fledgling force. It has faced numerous challenges and has always stood resilient in the face of adversity. For many years, the Navy struggled with outdated equipment and limited resources, which hampered its operational capabilities. The lack of sufficient funding meant that significant upgrades were often out of reach, leaving the Navy to make do with what it had. However, a turning point was on the horizon. The growing geopolitical tensions in the West Philippine Sea highlighted the urgent need for a stronger naval presence. Recognizing this, the Philippine government made a firm commitment to bolster its naval capabilities through strategic investments and international defense agreements. This commitment has been unwavering, with the government significantly increasing defense spending to ensure the Navy is well equipped. The modernization of the Philippine Navy has become a top priority, focusing on acquiring advanced technology and state-of-the-art vessels. The results of these efforts are striking. The investment goes beyond merely purchasing new ships. It encompasses a comprehensive transformation of the entire naval force. This transformation includes rigorous training programs to ensure sailors are proficient in operating the latest technology and equipment. It's about creating a highly skilled and technologically adept naval force, ready to face modern challenges. The goal is to build a navy that is not only capable but also versatile, able to respond to a wide range of scenarios in the 21st century. The transformation is evident in the sophisticated warships now joining the fleet, each equipped with cutting-edge technology. This transformation is making waves far beyond the shores of the Philippines, showcasing a navy that is ready to take on regional and global challenges with confidence and strength. The Philippine Navy is undergoing a dramatic makeover. Gone are the days of relying solely on outdated vessels. A new generation of warships is taking to the seas. These are not mere patrol boats. They are state-of-the-art frigates, corvettes, and patrol vessels. They are armed to the teeth with advanced weaponry. These ships are equipped with cutting-edge missile systems. They have advanced radar technology. They are designed for combat readiness. Their purpose is clear. They are there to deter aggression. They are there to defend Philippine sovereignty. China's dominance in the region is being challenged. These new warships are a powerful symbol. They show the Philippines' determination to protect its interests. They show the Philippines will not be bullied. The message is clear. The Philippines is a force to be reckoned with. The Philippines recognizes the importance of a multi-layered defense. It's not just about surface ships, it's about what lies beneath the waves. The nation is investing in a submarine force. This is a game changer. Submarines provide a strategic advantage. They are difficult to detect. They enhance defense capabilities. They are vital for surveillance. The Philippines' acquisition of submarines sends a clear message. It shows a commitment to a more assertive defense posture. This development has not gone unnoticed in Beijing. China understands the implications. Submarines add a new layer of complexity to the equation. They introduce an element of uncertainty. China is now forced to contend with the possibility of hidden threats. The submarine program is a testament to the Philippines' commitment to staying ahead in the game of naval power. The Philippine Navy is not just about bigger ships and more firepower, it's about embracing cutting-edge technology, maximizing efficiency and accuracy, and being ready for any confrontation. Partnerships with global leaders in defense technology are key. The Philippines is working with the United States and collaborating with Japan. The goal is to equip its Navy with the best technology available, including advanced radar systems and sophisticated sonar equipment. This technology is a force multiplier, allowing the Philippine Navy to punch above its weight class. The message is clear. The Philippines is committed to staying ahead of the curve. It refuses to be left behind in the race for naval superiority. This dedication to technological advancement is a crucial aspect of the Philippines' naval transformation. It's about outsmarting, not just outgunning its rivals. The Philippines understands the importance of partnerships. It is strengthening alliances with like-minded nations and participating in joint military exercises. These exercises focus on naval warfare, designed to enhance interoperability and boost combat readiness. The message is clear. The Philippines is not alone in its determination to counter Chinese aggression. It stands shoulder to shoulder with allies. These exercises are not just for show, they are about building trust, developing shared tactics, and sending a message of unity and strength. China is taking notice. These displays of cooperation raise concerns in Beijing. They highlight the growing network of nations concerned about China's actions and underscore the potential consequences of continued aggression in the West Philippine Sea. China's response to the Philippines' naval buildup has been measured but wary. Beijing is closely monitoring the situation, assessing the evolving capabilities of the Philippine Navy. China understands that its actions have consequences. It recognizes that its assertive behavior has pushed the Philippines toward a more robust defense posture. The Philippines' naval transformation presents challenges for China's policies. It complicates China's efforts to assert control over the West Philippine Sea and forces China to reconsider its approach. China must now weigh the risks and benefits of its actions more carefully. The Philippines' naval buildup is a reminder that power dynamics are not static, they are constantly evolving. China can no longer assume that it can act with impunity in the region. It must now contend with a more capable and determined Philippines. The Philippine Navy's ascent, charting a course for maritime supremacy. The Philippine Navy is on an upward trajectory, showcasing a remarkable transformation that has been years in the making. Its transformation is far from over, and the future holds even greater potential. The shipyards are bustling with activity as engineers and technicians work tirelessly to bring new vessels to life. The Philippines is committed to further modernization. This commitment is evident in the numerous conferences and strategic discussions aimed at enhancing naval capabilities. It plans to acquire even more advanced warships, each equipped with state-of-the-art technology designed to ensure maritime superiority. The Navy will continue investing in cutting-edge technology, from advanced radar systems to sophisticated communication networks, ensuring that its fleet remains at the forefront of naval innovation. Additionally, the Philippines aims to deepen its partnerships with key allies. Joint exercises and collaborative missions with allied naval forces are strengthening these bonds. The Philippines is charting a course to become a dominant naval force in the region. Its naval command centers are equipped with the latest technology to ensure efficient and effective maritime operations. It is a journey driven by necessity and fueled by determination. The officers and sailors are dedicated to their mission, ready to face any challenge that comes their way. The goal is clear: the Philippines will protect its sovereignty, secure its maritime future, and assert its presence in the West Philippine Sea. The Navy's strategic positioning and constant vigilance ensure peace and stability in the region, safeguarding the nation's interests. The world is witnessing the rise of a new maritime power. Ceremonial events and naval parades showcase the strength and unity of the fleet. The Philippines is no longer content to be a bystander. Its presence in international waters and participation in global naval exercises demonstrate its growing influence. It is stepping onto the world stage as a force to be reckoned with. The flagship leads the fleet with confidence, while strategic command rooms buzz with activity and planning. The message is clear: the Philippines is here to stay, and it will defend its waters with unwavering resolve. The Philippine Navy's journey is one of resilience and ambition, ensuring that its maritime domain remains secure for generations to come.